Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Imagine if your Fire Stick could unlock every single movie, TV show, and live sports event for free. Today, I am revealing a secret downloader code that makes this possible. This is not just a random list of apps. I have personally tested these to ensure they work perfectly on any Fire Stick or Android TV device. All apps' downloader code and links are mentioned in the description. First, we need to grab the downloader app from the official Amazon App Store. This is your gateway to everything else. Go to the search icon and type in downloader. Look for the orange icon by AFTV News and hit install. Once it is done, do not open it just yet. We need to tweak some settings to make sure your device trusts apps from outside the official store. Head over to your settings gear and find the section called My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options, go into About and click on your device name about 7 times. A message will pop up saying you are now a developer. Now go back and open the developer options. Turn on ADB debugging and then go to Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader in the list and switch it to On. Now we are ready for the magic. Open Downloader and enter the secret code 82914. This will download the Unlinked app. This app is a private store that holds hundreds of streaming applications. Once it downloads, click Install and then hit Done. Make sure to delete the installation file to save storage space on your device. Before we enter the private library, you must protect your identity. Your internet provider can see every app you use and may even slow down your connection if they see you streaming. I highly recommend using a VPN to keep your data encrypted and your location hidden. It is the best way to ensure your apps work smoothly without being blocked. Now, open the Unlinked app. You will see a blank screen because we need to add a library. Click on Add a new library and enter the code 123456778. This specific library is fully loaded with categorized apps for movies, live sports, and anime. I have vetted every single one to make sure they deliver high-quality streams. Once you are inside, you can browse through different categories. When you find an app you like, just click download and then install. I recommend grabbing 2 or 3 different apps so you always have a backup. Some apps are better for new movie releases, while others are great for live pay-per-view events. That is it. You have now unlocked a massive world of entertainment in just a few minutes. If this helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more secret codes and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.